Welcome to another Mockplus tutorial. Here, we're going to show you how you can use your storyboard so you can spend less time organizing and more time designing. Our storyboard feature is exclusive to Mockplus. It's somewhere you can clearly plan and organize your whole project with a bird's eye view. Everyone will be on the same page for what to design, prototype, or develop. Your project's designs will automatically be shown on your storyboard, so your plan is always in sync with your designs. Firstly, I'm going to show you how you can navigate around your storyboard. To move around, you'll need to hold the spacebar, otherwise you'll be in select mode. Hold down the spacebar and press down with the mouse to drag the canvas around. You can zoom up here, or you can use any of these shortcuts. If you want to see your whole storyboard on one screen, right-click and press Overview. Now, everything on your storyboard fits on one screen. Here, you can also go in full screen, or you can use the navigation buttons down here to navigate around your storyboard. If it's getting in your way, you can use this shortcut. By default, you're in select mode. To select a page, click on a page, and if you want to select multiple pages, hold Shift and press on multiple pages. Or, hold Shift and drag around the pages you want to select. You can move your selected pages around simply by dragging and dropping. If you want to reorder your pages, Mockplus can automatically reorder them. Simply choose All Pages, right-click and press Rearrange. Now all my pages are neatly rearranged from the top left. In the top right, you'll see there are many options if you want to reorder your pages in columns or any other style. Here, there are also other settings you can use to customize how you want to reorder your pages. On your storyboard, you can connect pages to logic lines. To connect the page, simply select your page and drag from the arrow to the page you'd like to connect. You can double-click on the logic line to make a comment, and you can easily select it and press Delete on your keyboard to get rid of it. Logic lines help you clearly show how your project is mapped out. To duplicate a page, simply select the page and copy and paste. And you can just as easily delete. To center a page, select the page, right-click and press Focus. Now it's in the center of your screen. You can download pages or assets directly from your storyboard. To download a single page, right-click on the page and press Download. Or to download multiple pages or multiple page assets, go to the right-hand area of the top navbar and press Download from the menu. If some of your comments are obscuring your view, you can easily hide them. Don't worry, these are not deleted. If you want them to reappear, simply right-click and press Show Line Description. You can add files and images directly to your storyboard simply by dragging and dropping. You can also directly drag and drop zip folders onto your canvas. Your files will automatically be organized in the project tree with your previous folder structure. And now you can start editing your storyboard. Here, there are many page markers. If you want to change the status or the progress of a page, click the arrow icon on the top left-hand side to display page markup tools. You can change the color and icon of the page to indicate the progress. Any of your page markup indicators will be shown in the project tree as well. You can also do this in a project tree section, clicking this icon here and changing the color or icon as you wish. At the bottom of the page markup menu, you can always remove any markups you have added or completed. To select the home page, select a page and press this button at the top left-hand side. Your project will now be presented by default from here. You can further customize the color of your background and the color of your logic lines by pressing the setting icon in the bottom left. Now, you have all the tools for your team to lay out your whole project in one space, so together you can plan, edit and create faster.